Hello there. In this video, I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, at first you have to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now button in the All Apps page of Pabbly. When you are inside the dashboard, on this left column you will see that all these following features of Pabbly Chatflow will be visible to you. But you won't be able to access these features unless you have added your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So at first, add your WhatsApp number in here so that you can access these following features. Then from this column, you have to go below and click on this settings. Inside this, at third number, you will see this contact custom field. Click on this, you will get directed on this contact custom field page. Inside this page, you can see these are all the contact custom field that I have created for myself and which I use inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to create a new field, just scroll down to the bottom, then you will see this add more field option will be given to you. You just have to click on this button, give a name to your field. So let me name it as this testing, and after that just click on this save button. Your contact custom field will get saved successfully. You can see here my custom field is saved. Now I can access this field inside while creating this contact list or while creating a flow. So I will open this flow, then I will show you how this field will be visible to me. This is the flow. So I will open this particular flow, and inside this flow, this is the contact custom field node that I have dragged from this action features. This is the set custom field. You just have to drag it in here to use this contact custom field. I will again drag it to show you. You can see here this contact custom field node is now in front of us. You just have to click on this drop down. Inside this list of all the contact custom field, you just have to scroll down. You can see here this new contact custom field testing that we just created is visible to us. We just have to click over this to select this. You can see this contact custom field is selected successfully. So this is how you can create contact custom field for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.